Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your outlet covers in your home. This would be good if you're going to sell your house or if you just want to modernize your house. So first thing you'll need is a flathead screwdriver or whatever screw you need to take off this cover plate. And you'll need the new cover plate. I'll have these linked in the description below. You can get them through Amazon. First, you want to take off the old plate. Once this is off here, we get the screw out. You'll take off the old plate, like so. Then you'll grab the new plate and place it over top and make sure that your hole here lines up with the screw hole. Then you can start hand threading this. Once you get it going, take your screwdriver and tighten it down. Once this is fully tightened down, that's all you'll need to do and you'll be good to go. Perfect. And that's how you change the look of your outlet cover. If you thought this video was useful, please leave a thumbs up. Thank you.